Have you ever wondered what work at height means? It may sound like a simple term, but it encompasses a wide range of tasks and industries. Let's dive right into it. Work at height refers to any task that is performed in an elevated location where there is a potential risk of a fall that could lead to an injury. This can include activities such as working on platforms, scaffolding, ladders, and rooftops, to name just a few. But it's not just about the location. The type of work can vary widely too. For instance, it could involve construction, maintenance work, or even telecommunications. Essentially, any work that takes place off the ground can be classified as work at height. Now, as you can imagine, working at such heights comes with its share of risks. Falls from elevated locations can lead to severe injuries or, in the worst-case scenarios, fatalities. So how do we mitigate these risks? Well, depending on the country and the specific industry, there are various regulations and guidelines in place to ensure the safety of workers. These safety measures may include the use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, fall protection systems like harnesses and guardrails, specific training for workers, risk assessments, and the implementation of safe work practices. But it's not just about having these safety measures in place. Both employers and workers have a responsibility to ensure these protocols are followed diligently. This is crucial in minimizing the risks associated with working in elevated areas and maintaining a safe working environment. So, to recap, work at height is a term that describes any work that takes place in an elevated location where there is a potential risk of a fall. It applies to a wide range of industries and tasks, from construction to telecommunications. However, due to the inherent risks, there are stringent safety measures and protocols in place to protect workers. This includes the use of PPE, fall protection systems, worker training, risk assessments, and safe work practices. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working at height. So whether you're an employer or a worker, it's essential to understand what work at height entails and the safety protocols that need to be followed. Stay safe out there.